Hey everyone, so my hair is freshly washed and I'm going to attempt to do a Afro Puff ponytail. I have an extension, so I'm gonna gel my hair up to this little area here, and then I'm gonna wrap it down for tonight. I'm gonna take the wrap off in the morning, and then I'm going to try to see if I can put the Afro Puff ponytail on. So right now I'm just gonna add water. That's how my hair is looking. I'm just gonna add water right quick. I'm gonna use this 9-row brush just to make sure there are no tangles. And then I'm gonna brush my hair in the direction that I want it to go. So the front, of course, I'm brushing it back here. And then the back, I'm gonna brush it up. I'm gonna open my mirror right quick. All right. So I'm basically just brushing it in the direction that I'm going to gel it. And I kind of want my ponytail to be right here at the crown of my head. I'm going to be using this Xtreme gel right here. And I'm probably going to get my fine tooth comb. All right, I have it right here. So I'm basically just going to load on the gel. The last time I did this, I smoothed my hair down with a board bristle brush, and I don't think I want to do that again. If I do that again, I'll have a brush only for gel, because there was so much gel caked up in my brush, like it wasn't even funny. There was so much gel caked up in my brush. So if you're gonna like gel, I mean, this is just my personal opinion, if you're gonna gel your hair down like this and smooth it over with a board bristle brush, either get a brush especially for gelling your hair down. Like, I wouldn't use that brush with anything else, because it's just like so much gel gets caked in there, and it's a pain. That isn't it. It's like such a pain, like, to clean out all the gel. All right, so I got the front going this way. I'm gonna turn around and do the back. Gonna gelling it upwards. This is the direction I want it to dry in, because I'm going for a high puff look. Gonna get plenty of gel over here on the side. I learned that with short natural hair, like, the more gel the better. Like, you just, like, the more gel the better. Okay, doing this side now. And see how I kind of got it going up here? I just really hope this work out tomorrow. Like, all right, gonna add a little more gel towards the top where we can kind of close it in. Put some more gel. All right, almost done. Put just a tad bit more gel. Okay, so kind of like that. So I got all my hair going up in the position that I want it to be in for in the morning. I'm just making sure everything is smooth. And to me, this is better just doing it with my hands instead of a board bristle brush. Way better and less messy. All right. All right, so this is my first time using these wrap strips. I've seen like so many people use these on their videos when they're trying to get their hair like really smooth. So this will be an experimentation for me. Okay. Okay. It has little dotted areas you can tie off. All right, so I'm gonna tie that. So this is 2 pieces. Anywho's, I'm gonna start in the back. And this is a very stretchy, which is nice. Okay, but it's also, okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna twist it like this. And then I'm gonna tear the excess off, okay? It's hard to tear off. So I'm just gonna cut it. And then here's my second piece here. I like how stretchy it is. It's very stretchy. I'm just gonna crisscross this. Oh, it's tearing up on me. Okay. And then I'm gonna cut the end off. Now, I'm gonna tear another piece off. Now I want the front, like, I want the front flat as well. I hope, okay. All right. And I'm just gonna crisscross it, twist it. I'm gonna cut the end. So I'm basically just gonna keep doing this until all of my hair is covered. There's another piece. Right to the front, crisscross it, cut this. All right, another piece. I just want to close this top piece in, so I'm just gonna put it straight down like this. Okay. I really hope this works. I'm gonna be so disappointed if it doesn't. All right, so now that, for some reason, I really feel like I need to put like a piece right here. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna put a piece right here. And twist it. Cut the bottom off. And I think I'm actually gonna go get a stocking cap just so I can make sure this is secure. All right, got the stocking cap because I just want to make sure this ain't going nowhere. All right. All right, then I'm basically just gonna put my little bonnet on, and I'm gonna sleep on this and take it off in the morning.